Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to turn off clock on lock screen Android. We start by pressing a free area on the mobile desktop for a few seconds, and then we enter the wallpaper and style option. After that, click on the preview of the lock screen. Here we click on the clock widget. Next, in the models that appear, we are going to choose the one that does not have any clock in the design. Finally, we apply changes with the Done option, and we will see that the clock no longer appears on the lock screen. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.